These are a couple of gadgets I like to use in my kitchen. First one is a strawberry huller. You put it like this and you grab the top of the strawberry and it just comes right out. You don't have to take a knife and just take the whole strawberry off. That way you can stuff the strawberry if you wanted to, or it makes it a lot nicer looking. So that's a strawberry huller. The next one is one of my favorites. It's a meat masher, and it's great for tacos or sausage. If you're making sausage gravy, to separate the meat. And I love this one. It takes no time to cook that meat and mash it into little things. So that's one. These are offset spatulas. I love this one for cupcakes, especially if you're doing something that in a dish, it goes down and smooths it out. This is the small one, and then this is the large one. It's great for cakes, or when you're doing a dessert or something with a 13 by 9. It's great for smoothing out. It gets all in the corners because of the roundness of it, and it's good to have. It's good to get a good grip. So these are just 4 of my gadgets. That's a must-have for your kitchen. So I hope you'll go down and try them. The link to purchase these gadgets is down below.